为什么不从上面跳过去就好了？硬要把石头搬开。哦。
Whoa.
That's Edie's medallion.
伊迪是谁
Race you across?
What?
Go!
Okay.
Oh.
I can slow down. Giving up already?
这还有多远？哈哈，我可以问一下吗？
Whoa.
First one up the medallion wins.
我刚刚以为那边可能有一个 QT 还是什么的。
Well, you beat me.
I mean, I already knew the path. It's kind of like cheating.
I've seen these before.
Well, then you should know how. Needle! It's usually not so lively around
不是卢安福沃，你们真的没打算教我怎么用就对了。
here. You're just I've got this.
太多只，太多只，太多只，太多只，太多只。
Hold on! Little bit of this, little bit of that.
Yappa!
他走过的地方都撒了一堆彩色的粉。
We're almost to my mom's shrines, where she chronicles her visions. It was her way of ensuring the legacy of our people would live on, despite the Aesir's best efforts.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you'll see plenty more button clamps today.
I hope so.
哦不，没，还有罐子吗？应该是没了。咋有些颜色很像？
Here.
我终于到了，是不是？走了这么长一段路。
Oh,
Isn't that Vanir magic?
where do you think they learned it from?
哦，终于。
Here we are.
Do you live here?
Mm-hmm. This way.
安格波尔达的树屋。哦。哎，我现在只能走过去跟他 talk， 是不是？好吧，好吧。
Wait, is this my shrine? I've been wanting to see it again.
For many giants, there is beauty in learning your path and walking it. Of course, ready? Others see the future and get
I'm ready.
messed up by it.
跟我们之前在约顿海姆看到的壁画是一样的
We scattered
东
Mother's
西吧？
ashes. It was on the wall. Everything had happened already, just the way it said. But this part was damaged. Oh, that's us. It's in the bag.
啊？射谁？
Wonder who he is.
拿刀拿一个剑是不是？
Wait.
啊！我突然间想到了，克莱多斯之所以我想要跟他儿子多相处一段时间，是因为这个东西吧？
It's not right.
因为他看到了，才想啊！
No.
哇！你最后去奥丁那边，然后把你爸杀掉哦！
This isn't real.
天
It's
哪！
not real. The Ungar's not real. None of this is real.
又变老了！
Whoa, you're okay.
不要把它好可爱哦！可是我怎么上次变熊啊，这次却变狼啊？
Hey, calm down.
我毛茸茸的，有点想摸。
Fine.
为什么上次变熊啊？是因为上次真的很生气吗？
Just breathe.
然后这次生气的程度没有上次严重，所以是变成狼而已，这样子。预言中的预言，不知
Good.
道。
That's good.
我觉得
It's okay.
预言之所以有可操作的地方，就是它有。你当然也可以存在着说，哦，你预言虽然这样讲，但实际上我是不会听你的，我会做出我认为正确的决定。可是实际上，我认为正确的决定，最后还是会造成那个预言的结果。这是预言，我觉得最能被操作到的地方，你知道吗？好，我真的不听预言，我做我自己想做的事情，然后我最后跨越了那个预言所注定的结果，这是有可能的啦。那现在就是不知道战神是哪一种了，应该是第二种吧。我看到预言，我也知道预言会发生什么事情，然后可是我选了不一样的路，然后最后呢，
Forget about that now.
跨越了那个预言呈现的结果，这样子。
Forget Loki. You're a giant. And you're clearly coming into some powers that you don't understand yet.
你爸会死，你会笑中奥丁啊！啊，
Let's take a walk. You can help me with something, and I'll teach you. You know, giant stuff. ，Come on.
我都忘记那个预言的事情了呢。因为四代我们去约顿海姆要撒他妈妈的骨灰的时候，中间会经过一个那像神殿的地方，然后神殿就是有刚刚就是这边这几个壁画在这样子，然后那个时候看的时候也是只有这两个是被阿特柔斯看到，然后第三个这一个呢，他被藏了起来，然后因为阿特柔斯走比较快嘛，所以他这个后面被布盖住，然后藏起来的部分只有克雷多斯看到，然后克雷多斯那时候看到的时候，我在想，我觉得那势必会对他心态造成一点变化。我刚刚前面玩那个什么，就是刚刚他们一起去救那个浮游漂浮巨兽、浮游巨兽，就救那只超级大只的水母的时候啊，我完全没有想到有可能是因为这个原因就是你知道自己会死，所以希望自己可以多跟儿子相处一下，然后最后不要说心满意足的死在自己儿子手上好了啦，就是说至少自己知道自己是什么死的，那可以更去珍惜那个时间这样子。唉，什么东西啊？
Loki, meet Yala.
，Hi Yala. Nice to meet you.
哦，他这个脚比托雷特还大。
Oh wow, she's a big girl, huh?
真是托雷特的感觉。
Come on up.
啊，我说要去播种。雅拉，哦，因为她是女孩子啊。
Anka.
啊，还要我控哦？你们自己走啊。
I guess you know about the whole champion of the.
Jotnar, do you want me to call you that instead?
No, Loki's good.
Sure. Jam.
我真的没空哦。
So, where did you say we were going?
We need to collect some fruit. If we follow the river, we should find some.
爬下 L， 爬下 L， 快速转身。啊！并没有快速转身啊！你在骗呢、我又被骗了！真他妈快速转身！
Those flowers over there.
等一下、哦。
Okay.
No, that's what they're called.
完全没有快速转身
My mother and I
啊！
used to take naps in them when my
好了，
grandma
算了
and her
算了
car.，
不要那个
It。was one of the only places she found peace.
这边好大哦！我感觉底下的那个这个水啊，这个是水吗？我不敢称呼它是水耶，那看起来像塞，你像屎坑啊！这个颜色，有吧？它的光，而且它的光泽反射不
Here's
像
one. Let's grab it.
Who's it for?
Wolves gotta eat, don't they?
哪里啊？哪里啊？哪里啊？哦，这个吗？哥，不是吗？
Never seen fruit like this
Oh,
before.
They're called green bulbs. My mother made me eat one every day. For strength, they taste terrible.
Seems like they work though.
它是颜色型，你看，而且重点是，你看它有些地方清澈，然后有些地方是不是？你看污浊的，
Excuse me?
更像塞坑哦，怎么这么像石坑？
Yeah, sure.
应该是没东西。
Could you grab that one?
还有松鼠，可爱。
Got it. Those wolves. You take care of them?
I do. They're good friends.
Can't wait to meet more of them.
已经看到20只了，你还想怎样？然后前面带你来就已经20只了，你还想
How
要
many
更
more
多
of these
吗？
fruits do you need?
You in a hurry to leave?
No, I just gotta save my father's life now, apparently.
Loki, we have time.
什么意思啊？我们叫时间还很充裕。他现在到底是在梦中，还是说他的人跟身体已经不可能只有意识到达这里吧？
I see some fruit up there.
Then we should be up there too. Ooh,
Wait, were you talking to me or the ad?
let me help.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
哦，他跳啊，过来了，好可爱哦！异色版托雷特的感觉，
After you.
真是异色版托雷特。
Listen, I know we're out here having fun and all, but maybe we should talk about what you saw in the mural.
What I saw would never happen. I wouldn't join Odin if it cost me my father.
If I learned anything from my mother, it was that these things have a way of coming true, one way or another.
I learned from my father too. Close your heart to it. But I can't. Not for this.
啊，牛牛， 我今天叫他托雷特，终于我知道他叫亚拉，真的很托雷特。
Can't reach it.
哦呦！我这树还会弹回去。他好聪明哦！你怎么那么聪明？
You know, I may have thought about going to Asgard, but I'd never do it.
Yeah?
My father wasn't helping me figure out my destiny. When Odin and I were alone, he offered to teach me.
完了，你
You were alone with
这样
Odin?
100%要杀一
Could have
把，
easily
我觉
killed
得
you.。
I mean, not that easily.
Let's head up to that ledge.
唉，
Taka upondum.
真的好聪明哦！
More fruit. We don't need it, but we can grab it anyway.
How do you know when it's ripe?
My parents taught me. It's a delicate guessing game.
So you can't be sure of everything that's gonna happen then?
I'm sure of the big stuff.
Ski off!
等一下，要射一下。我爸不在，只能靠我多赚一点钱了。这雕刻谁刻的？
Oh, Yala can't get under that log. That's it. Come on, girl.
我觉得他这一段哼唱我都快会了。呼呀哈，呼呀哈吗？我都快会了。
Getting these ingredients, feeding your animals. You do this every day?
If I don't, they'll die.
Just seems like a lot for someone your age.
Our age.
Right.
One of the last conversations I had with my father, he said he was sorry he couldn't protect me. That I'd have to grow up so fast.
At least you got an apology.
Dads have a way with words, huh?
没，我爸不是。我爸真是一点都不会沟通。问打他吗？嘴巴里面有亮亮的东西。我等下上去的时候试一下。可以打吗？可以耶！完了，那我前面少拿很多哎。 Oh my god！ 我现在才发现，我可以绕回去哦。完了，哎，我已经漏很多了耶 ！Oh my god！ 不行，我不能容忍我自己有漏东西呀！算了，等一下记得打吧。我觉得前面至少有2、3只是哦，可恶！
Nice view.
Oh, just you wait. It gets better.
不是啊，接下来。 要走回去了。没东西了。啊？这还有东西我没触发，可是刚刚在那边他完全没反应啊。 是啊，接下来嘞，我要做什么？嗯？真的要等一下吗？哎，不会卡 bug 吧？不会卡 bug 吧？就是因为卡 bug 它没办法出发，因为我刚刚在开箱子，完全没在管它的。哎呦！哎呀，我还在吃。重开一下好了，没关系。可是我不知道它自动保存档的点在哪里。哦，这里还行。
Oh, whoa! Looks like something just dropped from that clam, too. Wanna check it out?
Nice view.
Oh, just you wait. It gets better.
完了，是不是真的要等了？可能真的要等了。啊！我要等什么？它这完全是没有任何提示吗？真的给他等一下吧。好吧，你说要等的哦。你说这，哎，不是这一段完全没有任何东西触发，哎，就站在这里等哦。我这样是对的吗？我不知道，哎。你这样真的对吗？我不是，我觉得我应该要查一下，哎。还是没反应啊？嗯，也不是啊，真的没东西耶，怎么办？试一下。哦， OK， 那应该是真的没东西。哎呦，我在等，像傻子。我那么确信你那边可能会有个东西，结果你什么东西都没有，你怎么可以这样对我？哎。
Green bulbs go here in this bucket.
Hey, if I need to, like, fix my bow or something, can I?
Of course. I've got supplies in my tool chest over there. By the way, I left something in the tool chest for you. I'll meet you over by Yala when you want to leave.
Is it okay to hang out around here?
As long as you want.
嗯？我操
Nice.
！Nice。哦。特殊物品。我可以升，赶快升一升。耶，终于是有新衣服可以穿了。我刚想我怎么没换 ？OK。耶，我有新衣服穿了，开心。
Hey, what's this one?
I painted that one with grandmother. Wasn't as good back then.
啊，或者说刚刚这边是没有办法再过去一次，是不是？真的不行啊！哎呀，讨厌。
The lines on this one feel so alive.
Oh, wow. It's quite the compliment.
I really like what you did with the colors in this one.
Oh, that dark blue pigment in the sky was really hard to nail down.
Well, you clearly did. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, that one's my favorite. I'm really proud of that one hand. Like, seriously. Look at it.
No, yeah. It's amazing. Hands are so hard to draw.
They really
那
are.
不就画一个这样的东西而已吗？这有算难画吗？
This one's covered up.
Yeah, it's not ready for anyone's eyes. Except maybe Yala.
You can't be that bad.
Maybe I'll show it to you one day. But not today.
Only 3 colors? Where are the rest?
That's all I need. I mix them to make the rest.
单元色的概念呢？
Is that another one of your paintings? It's pretty good.
Nah, not my best. I could do better.
Well, I like it.
那我可以互动的其他的东西吗？好像应该是没有了吧？应该是没有了。好吧，Go Go Go！ 哎，我这边。
And Gabauda, earlier you said the Udengard can be disorienting. But what is it?
又是尤米尔。
The first of our people. He died a long time ago, right? Odin killed him.
Yes. Odin destroyed everything that remained of him, save for one thing. His dreams. Odin couldn't touch those if he tried. And they are ours.
What's next?
Well, now's when I usually harvest the Vs roots I mix with them. I mean, unless you still want to leave.
No, I can stay. I want to stay.
你爸呢？你爸呢？
I paint too. Well, I draw.
What do you draw?
All kinds of things. Monsters, artifacts, anything Father and I encounter on our journeys.
Oh, is your father an artist too?
No.
我爸只是一个粗野的人而已。
There are some roots up this way. Easy, girl. You've got this.
担心那个东西会戳到他的头。
Go faster? No offense, Yala.
Of course I do. They just can't carry both of us. This is much
我
easier.
爸是光头王。
Got it.
我爸是一个残
I
暴
got
的
this.
斯巴
There's
达
another up
人。
the path. Just take only what you need. See?
这个真能吃
You
吗
won't？ need that. The roots snap pretty easily. There. Just take a little off. A good twist ought to do it.
Like that?
Exactly. We're coming! We're coming! There's more roots this way.
She really doesn't like me, huh?
She does. It's just, apart from me, the only other person she spent time with
Truck! On the rig!
啊！哇，这么平静的时候，突然间要战斗了吗？
is... Loki! Show me the wolf!
哇！
That's it!
我是狼！我是狼！我是狼！
I got your back!
哎呀，我是狼！哇，我可以变成狼哎，好赞哦！
Hold on!
Oh.
You okay?
Feels weird when I change. Like, I'm not in control.
Do you need to be?
哎，是不是我在想一件事情哦？他愤怒变成狼，他爸愤怒就是疯狂揍人。这件事情，好怪。
Well, at least there's some roots down here. Grab them while we look for a way out. No knife, remember?
Oh, yeah. Guess it isn't a total loss. Whoa!
妈，
I've got you.
不要闪！
Jump up!
Go away!
哦，哦，好烦！我的，
Okay, maybe I don't pull up roots for a little bit.
It wasn't you. Hey, looks like they opened up a path over there. Let's catch up with Yala before more of them show up.
我是每场一定要都要打2次，真是啊！
You're okay. But what about you, Loki? What do you feel when you change?
Just anger.
Part of you unleashed the wolf with that anger. Maybe you just need to find the part that will guide it?
How?
You can fight all sorts of emotion in your heart, not just rage. If rage lets it out, another might help you stay you.
Where does this bridge go?
Hold on.
You enjoyed that, didn't you?
Maybe.
哦，绕圈又绕回来。
Home again.
Yeah. Let's drop off these roots in the bucket up on the left here. Then, I've got one last thing to show you.
You okay?
Yeah, just... We should head back toward the water. This way.
Is it alright if we stick around longer? Might wanna, you know, repair some stuff.
Yes.
不是啊，没东西弄啦。是啊，没东西弄啊。哎，又可以绕回去啊！
Are there any animals you can turn into?
Not yet. But for you, that might be a god thing and not a giant thing.
Oh,
Thanks for rubbing it in, though.
sorry.
Joking. Through the tunnel on the right, Yala. That's where we're headed.
Huh. Dead end.
Oh.
I really like that spell.
It hides this place perfectly.
Maybe that's why I couldn't sense any other giants when Father and I visited.
哎，等一下，等，然后我看到我就一定要射。
Get off him!
So, what's that soul in your knife?
The what?
There's a soul inside your knife. Did you not know that?
No. Whose soul?
不是你妈
You
吧？
know, maybe you should keep it where it is until you figure that out.
How did... I don't just go around stealing people's souls.
Yala usually takes a while to get around.
What you doing?
Clears my mind. I try to see how many bounces I can get. You want to try?
Looks easy enough. Oh.
A little help?
No, I think I got it. How about...
然后你不会。
1, Oh, you're laughing at me now.
I'm not laughing at you.
在想一件事情，
Laughing at the situation.
对阿特柔斯来讲，他算是第一次遇到同辈，然后又是一样
It's all about
的，
timing. When you release the rock.
该怎么讲？
All right. Watch
一样的种族。
Bring the wolf, Loki, but under your control. Catch this!
Alpha!
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Not ready yet!
Alpha!
I got this!
The Alpha!
I got your back! I've got you! Taka!
还有一只哦，
That
OK，
didn't count, by the way. My last throw.
Oh, it counts.
A Trogger came out of the water.
Excuses. We can always try again later. Throwing without me, huh?
I gotta get better somehow.
Yes! Ah, too late. You'll want to release the rock earlier. Oof, too late on that one. Yes!
嗯，
Oof, too late on that one.
啊，可以，不玩了，不玩了，不玩了，不玩了。
Where are we going now?
I have something for you. A gift, I guess?
Should I be scared?
No.
I don't have anything for you.
反正就是他难得遇到一个同辈的人吧。平常你知道，他平常生病只有他爸而已，然后他爸又是那个鬼那个样子，有没有？所以某个层面上，我倒是希望他们两个可以，就是你知道培养一下感情的啊、难得有同辈的孩子可以一起玩的。嗯。
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Are we the only giants left?
Sort of. It's complicated.
I want to know.
It'll be much easier to just show you.
Well,
I promise.
What about my prophecy then? If it is true, what do you think I should do?
Doesn't matter. There's no changing where you end up. You can try whatever you want to avoid it, but it'll happen anyway.
You're telling me nobody has ever changed their fate? Ever?
I mean, sure, maybe some details change, but the endpoint remains the same. It's better to walk your path than to struggle against it.
他就不想杀他，就不想害死他爸，也不想加入奥丁那边啊，还叫他顺应，还叫他顺应。那有个卡住了。我到了。
What's that?
A lift. We'll have to leave Yellow for a bit.
巨人之
We're
路。
heading upward. Farah.
哦，
This, gift doesn't seem like something you're excited about.
Just means we're coming up to the end.
What does that mean?
You'll understand once we get there.
什么啊？讲的好沉重哦。
Now, time to hold up my end of the prophecy. Follow me.
穿越峡谷。
Not ready yet.
又要搬啦！不然怎么你们两个想办法把对方推过去不就好了吗？一定要搬呐！唉。
晚安。
还没完，我自己打完才可以玩。哦，烦呢！我怎么要移一大堆？每次都要移一大堆这样子哦，真的是受不了。啊，累死！
This way. We're coming up on
还没
the
到
fallen.
What happened to them?
They were tired of living in fear of Asgard, so they hid. Left a pile of corpses to confuse Odin, should he ever find a way into Jotunheim.
Where'd they hide?
You'll see.
我把这段看完好了啦，看完再关，没关系。哦，这边这么大，那就来到一个很开阔的区域。
I got it.
你好灵活。要拿什么给他
Oh, more marbles.
Wait, you've seen these before?
Not these, but I found a few in Midgard.
Where?
Inside your mother's murals.
Oh, but that's... There are more out there.
What are they?
Just look.
话说，我第一次我刚刚现在才仔细看到说，他这边脸上也有类似像纹身的东西。
Theati.
什么意思
Brother?
不会是巨人的类似像核心的东西吧？就是每一个巨人的那个名字这样，还是召唤符啊？ 就是我前面不是说我认为率领巨人大军的应该是阿特柔斯吗？所以阿特柔斯应该是透过这些东西来召唤他们吧。
They had a choice. They could stay in Jotunheim, waiting for Odin to find a way in to slaughter them. Or they could hide.
他们现在躲在猪猪里。
My father helped whisper their souls into these.
哇哦！
And before he died, he passed them on to me.
哇，他们面部表情是真的做得很好，好锐哦。
They found a peace. Now they're your responsibility.
现在是你的责任了 ，responsibility。
Are you sure?
Well, that's what my mother saw. You're supposed to know what to do with them when the time comes.
完了，我觉得我的推断越来越合理了耶。
Let's head back.
我觉得他们
This is a lot of responsibility.
It is.
他某一个层面上应该是不希望打扰他们的安宁的啦，但是
Yeah.
按照预言来讲的话，他是必
Now that I've given
须
you those, my part in all this is over.
You could always come with me. We could fight Odin together.
If I was supposed to fight alongside you, I wouldn't disappear from your damn mural halfway through.
I understand. Well, we shouldn't break up the set. Don't you think?
Let's keep walking.
Huh. Tallest peak in the realms. The only other time I was in Jotunheim. I was there with my father.
You know the giant's fingers?
I spread my mom's ashes there. Feels like ages ago.
真的很久之前的。
Just because of some dumb mural.
战神4是2年前嘛，3年
I
前，
know.
反正对，真的是蛮久之前的。
It's just... It's over as far as the giants are concerned. So what's that make me?
A friend?
OK， 好啦，那反正刚好到一个蛮重要的节点了，今天就先到这边吧。前半部分大部分是也算是把就是那个什么精灵王国那边的沙漠那边先弄完嘛，然后放一只超巨大水母出来嘛，接下来后面就铁森林。重点是铁森林这边它到底什么情况啊？它到底是就是我是人跟身体都一起来了呢，还是只有灵魂？就是只有人跟身体？等一下不是人跟身体啊，灵魂跟身体一起来呢，还是只有灵魂来啊？因为我不知道好啦，算了。就明天接着这一段继续玩吧。然后反正明天还是会开台啦。可是如果可能，因为我下午有约嘛，如果那个约太久有 delay 的话，没开台的话，我就另外在就是脸书上面再另外公告一下，就脸书粉丝团再另外公告一下吧。好，那今天就到这里啦，拜拜。